Okay, what I have here is a water cooler, and as you can see, it's crushing the bottle. It's not letting air in to replace the water as the water drains into my cup. So the vent is not working. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. And first, take the water bottle off and you empty any water out from in here. And you have to turn that about a quarter turn. Okay, then you take a flat tip screwdriver and you put it under there and you pop that up. Now it's important that you did that quarter turn because inside here, oops, quite enough water. You can see these little nipples here and here. They go into these slots and they lock in. They lock in by turning it to the right. So to unlock it, turn it just a little bit to the left. And stick your screwdriver. Pop that up. Okay, and this is the air relief valve. That lets the air in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that out of there. And I'm going to clean it. And I'm going to squirt something in there and clean that out too. So under high pressure, maybe a hose or something, hose it out. And I'm going to put this back in, put it back together, and that should fix it. Okay, so I took that little rubber air relief out, I cleaned it, I hosed it out, I blew through it a bunch of times. I've cleaned that out. I'm satisfied for now. I'm going to put it back together. I put it back down and I turn it, just a slight little turn, and I'm ready to put a new water bottle on it. There it goes. Venting.
All fixed?
All fixed.